There's a better way to cook, and this is where we'll find it. Welcome to the Hestan barn. Here, tucked away in the Hestan vineyard, a dynamic collective of chefs, vintners, and engineers gather to share meals and ideas. From the molecular structure of cookware to the technique of cooking itself, Hestan is forging new culinary ground with thoughtful invention, purposeful design, and inspirational terroir. Everything Hestan is built upon a shared love of food and wine, accompanied with the excitement of innovation. And each product line begins with the same question: what can we improve? Then we open a delightful wine and figure it out.